Very good evening, friends. I'm Narnakshi Swami here, welcoming to my channel Smart Indexity. And we had taken and made a video regarding the midweek of the month. And actually, before starting of the midweek of the month on Friday, market made a low of 25,328. Here you can see. Exactly came to that level, support level, and it showed a reversal. I had made a video. These were all descending CPR. It climbed above the CPR, this descending CPR, price climbed above, and the next day it was a retest. And on 10th, market moved higher, and 11th, it was a discount. There was a CPR formed at the basement. I've made the video, and here you can see the CPR on the next day. It was a narrow CPR. Narrow CPR indicating a wide expansion. Same thing happened in the market. There is a CPR formed over here at the bottom, and the market rallied. I had already mentioned that it will be 1:2, and this level it is going to go up. And why the market did reverse or faced resistance is there were cluster of CPRs, they are descending CPRs. From there, market had come down. That's why market faced resistance over here. And today, EP has been reflected around 25,839. That is on 12th, 839, both EP on an hourly basis and episodic pivot. Big volume has been initiated over here. So this is very, very important. It has come at the resistance. Now we need to see, you need to mark the 25,839. Let me adjust with the coordinate. Yeah, 25,813. This is the EP level. Let me change the color to some other color so that it will be very, very visible. This is the level we need to watch. And the market faced resistance exactly on 20th itself. Bearish EP was formed. At the top of this level, the market faced resistance and started reversing. Last 3-hour candle was a down move. Down move, this is how you can take a position. Even in the option, for 1 to 2, 3 days, you can take a position. I have already mentioned in my video. Usually, during the midweek of the month, institutional people will become active and they will take a position actually. At that time, reversal will come in the market. That is my observation. You can see over here, this call option came to 120. The low was 137, and the on 11th, if you would have taken position around 189 to 174, this has rallied up to 493. Yes, friends, it has rallied up to 400. I am placing there, you can see 501. So within 11th and 12th, within 2 days, you have got an appreciation of almost 330 points. That is 330 points into 75. You could have cashed in this much of money, 24,750. That is enough for a month. If you know everything, this is the magic of my indicator. Magic of my indicator, rolling pivot, reversal magic, and the combination with CPR, VCP, and GAN Hilo. So I have combined rolling pivot, reversal magic. These are the rolling pivot, reversal magic, this indicator. And let me hide some few indicators so that you will see properly. Now you are seeing the rolling pivot as well as CPR and the EP. EP started before itself, before the market started falling, started going up, it started episodic, big players started entering into the market and they trapped the early buyers and market plummeted to this. And then one more episodic pivot EP has been formed around 169. You can clearly see here, and the price moved upwards. Today, an EP has been formed. EP has been formed. That too, if I hide this midweek of the month, this is a bullish EP, not bearish EP. Continuously, bullish EP is formed. That means any level, see, from this level, let me apply this 419. Suppose if the market starts coming down below this and retest this CPR, because it has not retested this CPR, it is an imbalance, it has gone up. Since it is an imbalance, if I apply the volume profile, you will see the point of control is here. And let me apply one more volume profile to this area. The value area has been increased and it is exactly near the CPR. And there is a fair value gap because today there was a gap up because of the news. Because of the news and market, there is liquidity available there for the market. It can come down and go past this. It can retest this level. It can come down tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It can come down and a reversal can happen because it is a bullish EP. So we can anticipate for still up move in this call option. Maximum it can go up. So it is 18 November 2025, 25,500 call option. It can still has the room to go up. This may be the pass and any discount to 284 or any discount, you just closely watch for the price action to enter into this. So market is showing bullish EP on the top. I'm on the Nifty chart. You can see bullish EP. If I apply this one volume profile, there is a gap over here. Let me apply the fair value liquidity gap. So market may try to come over here. If I enlarge this, I'm not able to enlarge because I'm in the full scale mode. See here volume, cluster of volume is over here beneath this and CPR is there. Market can come down and touch the CPR. It's a wide CPR. That's why wide CPR has formed means there will be lot of volatility tomorrow. Narrow CPR with wide CPR. Market can come down and reverse. There may be two way of price action you can anticipate in the market, in the Nifty. So keep a watch on the market and try to trade positively. And this is the beauty of my rolling pivot. Today, let me go back to the uh, replay mode. I'm not able to, yeah. Replay mode I'm not able to do because it is in the extension it is showing. Yeah, it is in a full scale. Yes, I have escaped this. Okay, full. full this one I have removed, and let us watch how the trade materialized on today. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. 8th, 10th. Okay. I will start again from the 12th. Okay. Start new from here. Okay. Let me hide the midweek of the month highlighter so that you will see the price action very clearly. So from here, I am going to start the replay button. Okay. I'm going to start. Today is 12th. Market just start observing this. This is 11th. You can see narrow CPR and wide CPR formed. Why did it form wide CPR? Because market gapped up. And how to take the trade? The market first 5-minute candle, it is a 5, 10, it is coming down. There is no, see, the rolling pivot has turned gray. That means we are not going to enter into this. Now the price is 25,857. 15, another 15, and another 15 minutes. So the market is trading around 860 because it is consolidating within this range. The first low made was 24,780. We need to watch. So now it has formed a balance line at this level, 25,824. Already market has formed in 1 hour. 1 hour balance line is here. So the market is bullish because the market is the GAN Hilo price is above the GAN Hilo and you are continuing the trade. So from here market started moving higher. Now it is 10:45. The price is 25,876. So every step it went through a consolidation see, if you see here, the consolidation was from 9:45 to 10:25. That is 30 minutes of consolidation. From 10:30 to 11, it is another 30 minutes of consolidation. With every 30 minutes of consolidation, price has risen continuously up to this 11:30 now. Even after consolidation, actually you need to enter early. You could have entered early or you could have entered at this stage. If you could have entered at this stage, no problem. You should not enter into this trade because this is the both BTST people were active here. You can see the big candles over here. So every 30 minutes it is consolidating, it is moving higher. Now it is 12 p.m. The market 12 p.m. Still it is bullish. Actually it is moving higher. You can see with the help of the rolling pivot reversal magic, you can make out that you can stay in the trade. Your balance line first level is 25,834. Till that time, you are not going to exit because only if it starts moving below that, then the market will become bearish. Now, EEP has formed around 25,916. I'm on the 5 minutes, even on the hourly also it has formed. 25,916. So you need to mark that when EP is formed, you need to mark that level 25,916. Okay, this is the level. The price came down and it is actually it is making an attempt one more time up to 1 o'clock. After 1:30 only it started coming down. If it started falling below 24,916 is the level. So let us go to, you came to know this level. Let us go to put option 25,900 put option. You could have taken reversal trade in the market. Let me go there. Yes. 25,900 put option. Why it is showing 190? Yeah. Okay. Let me go to 5 minutes. Around 1:30, you got an entry in the put option from 104 to 121. You could have taken position in this. So Nifty, still it is running. It has fallen below this. And finally, it came down to 25,873. So it went through like this and it consolidated and it made a low of 25,868. The first hourly low is around 25,831. Market has not come to this level. Suppose in case in the morning bell, if the market starts breaking below this level, then the market can come down to it can come down, fill this gap, and it can come down to 25,600 to 700. There is a CP over here. There is no CP formed. You must notice there is no resistance formed. The resistance, previous resistance, acted as resistance for this Nifty. That's why it got rejected and it has been traveled down. Okay, friends, this is how with the beautiful rolling pivot reversal magic, you get an entry, proper entry, even for the call option. Let me go to the call option and show it to you before closing 25,000. This is the call option, 25,800 call option, opening bell. It gapped up. Even though it gapped up, it capped up, and you are not going to trade this part because there is bullish EP and bearish EP, both alternating with bullish and bearish EP are formed. So you need to mark down the bullish EP and bearish EP. So EP, bullish EP is formed at 243 and that is at the top. Bearish EP was formed at 184. So let us mark the level of bearish EP. 184. Yeah, 84. So when price around 10:30, this is a reference point for you. When the price started moving above this 184, keeping this as a stop loss, and also you can see so beautifully the trend reversal came over here exactly at this level, and from 184 the market ran up to 240, 249. So today on intraday basis also you could have made 16 plus 49, 59 plus 64 points in this call option. Even as an intraday trader, you could have taken trade. So you need patience. Actually, it is the gap up. When it gaps up, what you need to do, you need to wait for a first balanced line to form. First balanced line will be formed around 1 hour. After 1 hour only, first balanced line will be formed. So this is the first balanced line, and there is an EP reference. And when you are seeing this, when the price is holding the EP 184, you are going long. And with the reversal, still see, even though trend is positive, but the entry, it is little bit aggressive. Entering at 175 is aggressive because you will not hold the position when it starts coming down. You need to have a confirmation you got a bearish EP and as well as bullish EP. So both were there, and the bullish EP price was retraced back. You can see the pullback and reversal breakout. You can see the price. There was no look back from the breakout of the 208. 208 was the breakout region. Again, the market came down to that level and it took support. You can see this is the breakout level and it took support. In case tomorrow, if it starts breaking below that, probably it can go up. Tomorrow, it can go up little bit, rally. It can rally and then it can come down. If it starts moving below 184, this becomes negative. This same call option, 25,800 call option, will become negative and it may trade down to this level, to 112 or 125. If you get that discount, you can enter into the market because there are bullish EPs over here. Bullish EP has been formed over here, so you can mark this bullish EP levels. Bullish EP level over here and the bottom. So that is exactly near the CPR. So friends, thank you very much for listening to my trade. These are very beautiful magical indicators. I showed you how you could have taken positional trade in buying the option too. Actually, you need to wait for the right moment to take the trade. Like you entered when you saw EP, bullish, bearish EP on 29th from 26th, if you would have taken 26,000 put option till 7th, you could have made lot of money in that. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.